Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the NTBSS Top Secret Training Set. This comprehensive program offers advanced resources crucial for specialized skill development. We'll guide you through the essential steps to effectively utilize these materials, ensuring you gain a deep understanding of critical operational procedures. Our goal is to help you maximize your learning experience and enhance your capabilities with this invaluable training resource. Let's get started on unlocking its full potential. To begin, you'll need to securely access the designated NTBSS portal. Please log in using your unique credentials to ensure authorized entry. Once inside, navigate to the main menu and easily locate the Top Secret Training Set module. It's important to verify your access permissions before proceeding, confirming you have the necessary clearance to view the content. This ensures a smooth and secure start to your training journey. Once you've accessed the training set, take your time to explore the various modules and lessons, which are presented in a clear, structured format. We encourage you to actively participate in all interactive exercises and simulations. These are designed to reinforce your learning and practical application. Don't forget to utilize the provided resources, such as detailed documentation and insightful case studies, for a deeper understanding of the subject matter. To truly master the material, we recommend regularly reviewing the content to maintain proficiency and stay updated with any new information. It's also crucial to apply the learned concepts in practical scenarios whenever possible, as this will solidify your skills. Should you encounter any technical issues or have questions regarding the content, please don't hesitate to contact our dedicated support team. We are here to assist you every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.